Social media management tools versus content scheduling platforms. Which one is better for marketing teams? Most people get this wrong by thinking that posting content is the same as managing social media effectively. The surprising truth is that social media management tools and content scheduling platforms serve different purposes, and understanding this can supercharge your marketing strategy. Content scheduling platforms focus on planning and automating posts. For example, a marketing team can schedule posts across multiple channels weeks in advance, ensuring a consistent publishing calendar. These platforms save time, reduce human error, and help maintain a steady online presence without requiring constant manual posting. Social media management tools go beyond scheduling. They provide analytics, engagement tracking, social listening, and team collaboration. A team using a management tool can monitor mentions, respond to comments, track campaign performance, and adjust strategies in real time. For instance, if a campaign is underperforming, insights from the tool help marketers tweak messaging or target audiences more effectively. The key difference is execution versus oversight. Scheduling platforms make posting efficient, while management tools optimize performance and engagement. Many marketing teams benefit most by combining both. Use a scheduler for consistency and a management tool for strategic monitoring and adjustment. The takeaway is clear: if your priority is saving time and ensuring posts go out on schedule, content scheduling platforms are ideal. If your goal is to understand audience engagement and improve campaign performance, social media management tools are better. The surprising truth is that using both together allows teams to save time, engage effectively, and make data-driven decisions, maximizing the impact of every post.